a recap on area, circumference, diameter, and radius of circles. So at first it says find circumference, but on any circle problem that you do for me, I suggest you write down R equals D equals C equals A equals. So remember, radius is halfway across the circle, diameter is all the way across the circle, so it's equal to 2 times the radius. Circumference is all the way around it, and it is diameter times pi. Diameter times pi. And then area is radius squared times pi. All right, so each one of these problems, that's what we're going to be doing. So in this case, radius. Actually, I'll do it again. R equals D equals C equals A equals. Radius is 2. Diameter is 4. Well, let's not forget our units, so don't get in trouble. And then circumference is going to be 4 pi. And it is a length, so it's still going to be in inches. Area is going to be radius squared, so 4 pi inches squared, or square inches. All right, so 78, R equals D equals C equals A equals. Radius is 7, diameter is 14 yards. Circumference is 14 pi yards. And then area is 49 pi square yards. All right, so that's all of these problems through here. Just do all, I'm looking for radius, diameter, circumference, and area. And then we're going to look next at portions of those. And again, this is a recap. We've done these. Remember, if I would like to find the length of arc, that is a portion of the circumference. I just remember my circumference formula is diameter times pi, and I use that, and I just want the portion I'm given. So I take the degrees I'm given, which we call theta, over 360, and then I multiply it by the circumference formula. So times diameter times pi. And that will give me my length of arc. So in this case, I'm going to do 60 over 360 times 16 times pi. And then I've reduced this, so 60 over 360 is like 1/6 times 16 is going to be like 16 over 6 pi. That is 8 over 3, so that is 8 pi over 3, and kilometers is my unit. All right, so that's how I do that kind of problem. The next section is going to be find the area, or area of the sector. So I'm going to do the same thing. Degrees over 360, but this time times the area formula, which is radius squared pi. All right, so in this case, it'll be 300 over 360 times 121 pi. Okay, well, 300 over 360 is 5 over 6, so 5 over 6 times 121. 121 is 11 times 11, so it doesn't reduce with it. So 5 times 121 is 606, or 605. I'll double check. 5 times 121, 605. So 605 over 6 pi, and that is square kilometers. All right, and that is that entire section. So try some of those.